Hello everyone. Today in class 7th, I will explain you how to link the web pages. Linking of a web pages. HTML have a very powerful feature of linking web pages or a section of web pages together. This feature is called a hyperlinking. Using the feature of hyperlinking, one can open any link web page on the internet within a single click. You will click over there and that web page will be open. There are two kinds of linking: external linking and internal linking. In internal linking, one part of web page is linked to the another section of the same web page. Means web page is one and different sections are there, they are going to be linked. In external linking, one page is linked to the another web page. Means here you can click the link and the new web page will be open. Now we will learn the anchor tag that is used to link a web page. This tag is used to mark the text as a hyperlink, or it is used to link a web page. Remember that it is a container element. It means that it have both starting tag and closing tag. This tag is generally used to specify the following things. You can use in this thing text or image that is clicked on to the activate the link. Means inside this tag you can use the text or the image. The address that will be open using the defined link. You can use the address whatever you want to open. You can use these links, hyperlinks, in the following ways: to jump from one section to the another section within a same web page, to link the another web page within a same website. In website, you know that there are many web pages. If you want to give the link, then from one web page you can open the another web page. It can be used to link the another web page or a website. Now to link the following things, we will use href attribute. This is the attribute of anchor a tag. This defines the document to which the link leads. It will give the address of the web page where it is saved. Its syntax is a href and its value. Here in the value place you will give the address. Then here you write down some text and then close the anchor tag. Here values are the different thing, like absolute value. This value point to the another website. Like example, here if you want to open the google.com, I will show you this example of this, how to use the absolute value. This is a very simple. This is my code I have written in the notepad. All of you know that this is a HTML document. So we start with the HTML, then head, then title. I have given the linking title, then title close, header close, body, BG color yellow. So your background color of the web page is yellow. Here remember that if you use a double inverted comma, then it's okay. If you don't want to use, you can. It is not compulsory. Then font size 7, color green. This tag, you know that body tag, and this is the attribute of the body tag. Then font tag, its size I have given 7 and color green. So whatever the text, that will be displayed in the green color. Then this is the simple a anchor tag, then href its attribute. Here I have given the link of the website google.com, and then I have written Google and then close. Here it is not compulsory you write down Google. If you want to write down anything, you can write down and then close. And remember that this line used for linking. What is a, then href, then give the address. Now remember that when you give the address of any website, then make sure that your internet connection is working, then that website will be open. If you don't have the internet connection, or if your internet connection is not working, then that website will be not open. So I will save it and show you how it works. Click on the save, and I have told you how to save. If you want to change, click on the save as, then select the desktop. If you want to select desktop or any another, where you want to save, you can select here like C drive, D drive, E drive. Then program, you can give the name of the program like PROIG program I have given, then .html, that is compulsory. Then click on save. It is already saved. Click on yes. Now I will show you my desktop and show you how this will be work. So this is code, web page, whatever HTML I have written. If you give the extension .html, then it will be showing using the browser. If you want to change the browser, then right click over there and then open with, and you can change the browser, Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, anything. Now I will open it, double click over there. So look at here, this is web page, it is opening. Look at here, it is coming here, Google. Now this is the link. Remember that when you will click over the link, the mouse will be changed to the hand. Look at here, this is the mouse, and when you will click over there, this is changed to the hand. Now when I click over this link, look at here, the Google will be open. But remember that Google will be open only when in your computer or laptop internet connection is working. Then only it will be open, otherwise not. So before using this kind of linking, make sure that your internet connection is working. If you want to go back, you can go back. So this is the, you can give the link of any website here in the notepad like href, then you will give the link here http, then colon, then any website, whatever website you want to open, then it will be open. So this is all for today. So you will try this kind of program at home. Next time I will explain you how to link the different section of a web page and how to use the email to the link. Thank you.